Well, good morning, second graders. It is Tuesday morning, and here is your math assignment. We're going to go over some things and talk about what it means to regroup to subtract. You are experts at regrouping for addition, and you all got your certificates for that, where you, if in the ones place we add up and the number is more than one digit, higher than 9, then you have to put the ones place in the ones column, and you bump the tens place up to the top of the tens, and you add it all together. Well, subtracting is a little bit different. If you remember, when we did the adding, we made, say, 38 on top, and we had 3 tens and 8 ones. And then we did 15 on the bottom, 1 10 and 5 ones. We pushed all of our ones together, and we had 13, remember? And then we'd write the 3 on the bottom, carry the 1 to the top, add the tens column, right? Well, when we do subtraction, we only need to make one of the numbers to begin with. And so what I have done for you right here is I am demonstrating how to do stacked up subtraction, and with one problem. And the first thing that we need to decide is, do you need to switch around those tens and ones a little bit? Okay, so we make one number, 68. And that's what I've done right here. I have 6 tens and 8 ones. Does that make sense so far? Right, because 6 tens and 8 ones. Got it? Thumbs up. Next, I don't need to make the 5. Because what this problem is telling me to do is take 68 and then take 5 away from it. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to look in my ones place here. Do I have enough on top, right here, to take away 5? I certainly do. And so in this problem, I don't need to switch around my tens and ones. I can just go down here to my ones, because I have 8 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can take away 5. And you'll notice that I am not using the little cubes that we usually use for this, because they kept falling off my board. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoopsie, that my magnet came off. Put that back on. There we are. So I've got 5 that I just took away. And if we look up here, 8 take away 5. How many do I have left? Did you say 3? Yep. And so we're going to write a 3 right here. And then we're going to go over to the tens place. 6 take away nothing is what? I have 6. I don't have to take away any. How many do I still have? 6. Good. And this is a problem, an exact problem, that you will find on the second page of your packet. It is the first one right here. See? It is the problem. This is the page without any animals on it. It says, practice. Do you need to move ones? Do we need to move the ones around? Oh, do you need more ones? Sorry, I should read more carefully. Circle yes or no, and then subtract and regroup if needed. So let's take a peek at this one. So 68 minus 5, that's the one we just solved. Did we need more ones to be able to solve? No, we did not. So you're going to circle no, just like that. And then we think 8 minus 5, and we did that already. What do we need to write down here? 3. And what column am I starting in? Yeah, I am starting in the ones column. Super important. Even more important than with addition. And then 6 minus nothing. And 0 is another word for nothing, so think of 6 minus 0 is 6. And that one's done. Now we're going to go on and do the second one. 52 take away 8. So do I need to make both numbers? I do not need to make both numbers. What's the only number that I need to make? Right. I need to make 52. I'm going to erase this really carefully. So I don't have to remake my tens and ones thingy. Maybe I will have to anyway. Okay. So where's my blue marker? And oh, I better erase that answer. That's going to confuse me. Erase that. Good. So my next problem, 52 minus 8. I know you can't see it down there, but if you look at your paper, it's right there. 52, 5 in the tens, 2 in the ones, minus 8. And now I need to make 52 down here. So I had 6, now I have 5, and I know you don't have these blocks at home. I know you don't. But I don't think that you necessarily need them to solve these problems. If we were at school, I wouldn't have you use these blocks to solve every problem. I just want you to watch how I kind of do it, and then I want you to remember that process when you're just doing it with pencil and paper, okay? So 52, let's make sure, that's what I thought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 tens, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. 52, take away 8. Now, the question on the paper is, do we need more ones? Circle yes or no. And again, we start in that little ones column, right? We start right here in the ones column. That is your first stop. If I have 2, can I take away 8? And I am guessing that some of you are thinking, flip the numbers over. Because if you have 8, you can take away 2. And guess what? You can do that when you're adding. It doesn't matter the order of the numbers. But when you're subtracting, you can't flip it over. Because if you were to flip it over, you'd have to flip over the whole problem. If you had 8, so if we put 8 on the top and 52 on the bottom, if you have 8, can we take away 52? Not until we learn about negative numbers, which is a long way away. So no, we can't change the order of these numbers. So we have 52. We could take away 8, right? Yes. But this is how we have to do it. So we're looking just in the ones column right here. 2, take away 8. So I have 2. Can I take 8 off? I cannot. So what I'm going to do is this. I am going to, grab a different color. It might help a little bit. Cross out the 5. Do that. This is because we're right here on number 2 on page 2. Cross out your 5. Make it a 4. So now I've got 4 tens. I have to take away this 10. Am I just going to throw this off to the side? No. I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to break it up. I'm going to break it up into how many ones? A 10 is worth how many ones? You all know the answer to that question. 10. So I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to break it up into 10 ones. So I'm going to get 10 ones. 1, 2, whoopsie. There goes another magnet. Sorry. 3, 1. We're going to use that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what? I'm going to get rid of this weird one. Okay. So what I've got, the 2 ones that I started with, right? Plus 10 more. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10, 11, 12. So then my next step is this. Do I have 2 ones anymore? No, I've got 12 ones. So watch what I do with my marker. I am going to slip a 1 right here. Does that look like 12 now? See, 1 in the 10, 2 in the 1s. 12. If I have 12, can I take away 8? Yes. Here's one more thing I want to prove to you. So here I've got 4 tens, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. I still have 52, don't I? Yep, still have 52 on top. But it's just arranged in a different way with 4 tens and 12 ones. Now if I've got 12 ones, can I take away 8? Yes, and I will. 12 minus 8 is 4. I'm not going to take them all off because I want to move a little bit faster for you. So 4 goes down here, and if we have 4 on the top, minus nothing down here, it is 4. And does that kind of make sense? 52 minus 8 equals 44. Yeah. So this is what you did on number 2. Do you need more ones? Yes. Cross out the 5, make it a 4. And then you have 10 ones floating up here. they slip right in front of that 2 to make it 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4, take away nothing is 4. 44. There you go. And your grown-ups can help you with this. They know just how to do it. So you need to do this page, and then you're going to flip over and do this page as well. And we're going to erase. We're going to erase it a little bit quicker this time. And let's see, can we just move these? Maybe. Okay. So the first problem I want to do on here is number 2. 80 minus 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 60, 70, 80. Whoop. And if I have 80, take away 30. This one is not hard for you, is it? Do you need more ones? If you have 0, can you take away 0? Yes, so you do not need more ones on that. We don't need to do regrouping. Not every problem needs it. 0 minus 0 is good, 0. And then I have 8, and I take away 3. So I take away 3 of these 10s right here. 8 10s minus 3 10s equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10s. There you go, you got that one. Good. And that is number 2 right on this page. 80 minus 30 equals 50. So we've done that one together. And that's how yours should look now. Good. Now the next one, we have 81 minus 12. I like this. So there's 80 and 1. Whoa. We're going to scooch these out of the way because we're not using them yet. And I have to write that problem. So you see how I've got 81 right here? These are my extras. So 81 minus 12. Okay. Do I need more ones to solve this problem? Let's find out. Oh, I didn't put my minus in there. Oopsie. Let's find out. If I have 1, can I take away 2? I have 1. Can I take away 2? No. Oh, switch the order. No, you can't switch the order when it's subtraction. So what do I need to do to get more ones? I need to take them from the tens place and turn them into ones on the one side. So I'm going to take away 1 10. Now I only have 7 over here. Cross out the 8, make it a 7. Take these 10 ones, break them up, and put them over here with the one that I already have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1 more is how many? 10, 11, right. And so another thing you could do is cross out that 1 and write an 11 right there. Can you see that? Now I'm all set up to subtract. We have to do all that work to get ready to subtract. So here we are, 11, take away 2. 11 take away 2 is 9. 7 take away 1 is 8. Wait, I'm sorry, I added that. Mrs. Avolio. 7 take away 1 is 6. Make sure you subtract. 69. 81 minus 12 is 69. That makes sense. All right, so I hope that you can do both of these pages. You're going to do this page, and then you're going to do this page. This is the one with the little chipmunk on the top, and I think that's a kangaroo on the bottom. So you're going to do those 2 pages. If you need help from your grown-up, you can use it. And I hope that all goes well. I'm excited to see you start learning about this. All right, have a great day. Bye.